We've spent a lot of time talking about TikTok, but short-form content isn't limited to just one platform. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Snapchat Spotlight are all pushing short-form videos heavily. But here's the key. Each platform has its own style and audience, and your strategy needs to adapt to fit each one. Let's break it down. TikTok is all about authenticity. The content doesn't have to be polished, and in fact, raw, relatable content often performs better. Instagram Reels is more aesthetically focused. Users here expect high-quality visuals, smooth transitions, and polished presentations. This is the platform where your content should shine visually. YouTube Shorts is often about providing bite-sized value. Whether it's a quick tip, tutorial, or entertainment, YouTube's audience looks for fast, valuable insights. For example, at Social Awaken, we often repurpose content across platforms, but we tweak it to fit the tone of each platform. For a fitness brand we worked with, we shot a workout video for TikTok that was raw and behind the scenes. Then, for Instagram Reels, we edited the same content to be more polished with smooth transitions. And for YouTube Shorts, we cut the content down into a quick 15-second workout tip. One of the challenges of a cross-platform strategy is maintaining consistency. While the style of your content might change to fit the platform, your brand message needs to remain consistent across the board. Whether someone is following you on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, they should get a sense of who you are and what your brand stands for. By leveraging different platforms, you're able to reach different audiences. But the key is to repurpose content effectively. For example, you should shoot one video but adapt it for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts by editing each version to fit the platform's unique style and audience. Now let's look at the key takeaways. Number one, adapt your content to fit the tone and style of each platform, but maintain consistency in your brand message. Number two, use cross-platform strategies to reach different audiences with tailored content. Number three, repurpose content across platforms to maximize your reach and engagement. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Take a look at your recent content. Are you repurposing it across platforms? How can you adapt your next video for different platforms while keeping your brand's message consistent? Write down 3 ways you can tailor your content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. In this chapter, we've covered how algorithms have shifted from followers to interests, the rise of short-form content, the importance of trends and challenges, and how to create a cross-platform strategy. Social media is constantly evolving, and so must your strategies. Stay adaptable, create content that resonates with your audience, and remember that your brand's voice should remain consistent no matter which platform you're on.